Ooh, what up, y'all? Saturday, I'm watching Rob Peace, a movie, new Netflix. Yeah, opening up packages, hanging signs, chilling, feeling a little hoo-hoo. Catch me in the vlog doing regular shit, so I can't vlog.
Tomorrow.
It's been a chill type day. Just got back on the couch, putting together this rake. It's like a shovel rake kind of pickup kind of thing. I'll show y'all later. Let me see. There's no leaves out there. I was like, well, there's leaves underneath the steps. I might test it out later. What up? Good morning. Happy Monday. 7:54. On the way into the plantation. The way this traffic is set up, son. Shit. Y'all, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. About to head to the plantation. I forgot to put lotion on my face. Like, my face is dry. It was a good day. Busy the first half. Slowed down. Got a little bit busy. But hey, I'm off now. That's what matters. Where the hell is this person making a U-turn? Wow, he turned really slow into here. That's wow. Yeah, I'll make one stop. I'm gonna stop at Dollar Tree. I need to. It's our anniversary next week. I just need to get I need one more bag. Why they gonna have this one big ass bag? But I don't think that would have worked anyway. But I'm excited, so I need to get a bag. I need to go buy card, go home and cook some dinner and relax. It is just the temperature, 65 degrees. Not bad. What up, y'all? Happy Wednesday. It's supposed to rain finally. I'm not a rain person, but yeah, we need some rain. So it's supposed to rain today. It looks like it. So fingers crossed. Come on, people. On the way into the plantation. Yeah. Did this looper. It's a looper edible last night. Shout out to Dr. Ganja. It's nice. It's not, I mean, my favorite edibles are Pushing Peas. You gonna let me over or what? And because the Pushing Pea, you could take half or a whole. It lasts me for 3 days. So like the feeling from this one, it's still there, but it's very minute, which is not. It's nice, a nice little buzz for the morning. But yeah. So it's gonna be a good day. I have a meeting today later tonight. Catch it up on shows on YouTube on the computer. 7:22. I got a 7:30 meeting, so I'm about to get into that. Then relax. Okay, that meeting's over. There's one meeting I didn't mind. It was good. It's good. It gives me hope. It gives me hope. Yeah. Oh, my TV timed out. What was I watching again? I hate when I do that. I'm on the stick. Okay, I'm watching the fart named Brilliant. Is this what it's called? Brilliant Minds? Yeah. Brilliant Minds. Yeah.
Should we go medial to that, or?
It's like, what you call it? It's like Monk meets what the freak is the name of that hospital show?
Makes sense.
Grey's Anatomy. Thought I would enjoy coffee. I think this is hazelnut with a Twix. How you doing? Just woke up. It's 11:13. That's what that Mary Jane will do to you. Involuntary naps. What's she doing? And watching Tubi. I love Tubi. What up, y'all? Happy Thursday. I eat my breakfast, 9:41. Dentist appointment at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna drive, park my car at my job, take an Uber from there. It's cheaper. From here, I was like, oh hell no, the fuck out of here. Though I haven't taken an Uber in years. Like I gotta drive. But when I'm going to the dentist, for those who don't, I don't like valet parking. I don't. And that's when I just got my car. Hell to the no. Hell to the no. No.
This woman was brutalized. Okay, she was raped.
Say what you want to say. That's how I feel.
Yeah, I just got a text.
My favorite movie is Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Watch it, then maybe you understand why I feel. And too many stories about these people, and yes, nope, I'm good.
The rape claim has nothing to do with the criminal.
I don't like valet parking.
Raise the question, is she really alone?
Get there, take a cab, hit the cab back to the car, and yeah. It just hit me this morning because I checked it out when I was from work, how much the commute would be. And from work, it was like, oh, that's decent, under $50, because it'd be the same amount if I went to go park the car. So I'm like, all right, cool, take the Uber. From my house, it's close to $100. The fuck no? What? You know what I could do with Then he's told me, Samantha, drive to work, park the car, take the Uber from there. It is raining out here. I put on the wrong sneakers, but I'm like, I wasn't going back inside to change it. I just gotta watch out for puddles. 71 degrees. The car has not registered yet. 12:07. Appointment's at 3. Yeah. So headed to go park the car and hop in an Uber. Waiting on. Why is he calling me? Back in black, bitch. I'm getting a Chevrolet Suburban. Yeah, I mean, it's funny. I had a RAV4. I didn't drive in the back. That shit uncomfortable. Like fuck. So I'm like because I need to stretch my legs out. I'm like you know. So I'm going in the Suburban. Who you doing? I don't need no root canals. Get this cap and crown done. Let's go. I'm glad I didn't drive. I'm glad I didn't drive. Because when I looked, oh yeah, the parking is right across the street. Nah, I'm cool.